Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam_API.dll was not found system error in any PC game so you can launch your game without issues. First, do not download the DLL file from random websites because it can be unsafe. Instead, open Steam and verify the game files to automatically restore missing files. Next, check your antivirus quarantine and restore the file if it was removed. After that, add your game folder to antivirus exceptions so it does not delete files again. You should also reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables because missing components can cause this error. If the issue continues, reinstall the game completely for a clean setup. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and the error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.